Hello guys, for today's video, I'll show you how to upload a PDF and ask AI questions about it using ChatPDF. ChatPDF is a free online tool that lets you upload a PDF and ask questions about the document. This is useful when you have a long file like a research project or a report and you want to understand it faster. For this example, I have a sample research project PDF, and instead of reading the whole project from beginning to end, I'll use ChatPDF to help me summarize it, find the tools used, and understand the results. First, open any browser and search for ChatPDF. Then, click the first link and wait for the website to finish loading. Then, you will see an option to upload your PDF. Click the upload button, then choose your sample research project PDF from your computer. Wait for the file to finish uploading, and after that, it will open a chat box where you can ask questions about the document. Even without me saying, ChatPDF already summarized this project after I uploaded it, and you can ask questions like, what are the tools and materials used in this project? This is helpful because research projects can be long and sometimes hard to understand. ChatPDF can give you a short summary of the main topic, the purpose, the idea of the project in just a few seconds. This is useful because many research projects include different tools, equipment, software materials, or methods, and instead of searching for them page by page, ChatPDF can help identify them and list them clearly in a few seconds. Just remember, AI tools can sometimes make mistakes, so if there are information that is very important, always double check the answers in the original document. And that's it. Now you know how to upload a PDF and ask AI questions about it using ChatPDF. You can summarize a research project, find the tools used, and understand the main results much faster. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you find this video very helpful. See you in the next video.